Guys, I placed a trade in London and unfortunately it hit break even. But what I realized was that my analysis said one thing, but I failed to realize what's actually happening in the markets, and I'll explain what I mean by that. This was the trade that I took in London, and on the surface, it looks like a good trade or a valid opportunity I could have taken because I had the bearish reaction I wanted to see, and price action induced Asia midline, and that's a good area to look for reversals. And it grabbed all this liquidity here and liquidity here as well up until this point. So I was like, okay, I saw the inducement, and then I saw the internal break of structure right over here, inducement, break of structure, okay, enter on the retracement with a 4 pip stop loss, and that's exactly what I did. And price action gave a bullish momentum. I moved my stop loss to break even, simple as that. But what I failed to realize was the bigger picture or the context of things. So what was really happening was that this point of interest here, which I forgot or rather failed to mark before London opened, and I failed to mark this, and hence that's why my poor analysis came into play here, because this area here, it is a area of seller sensitivity, meaning to say sellers, this is an area where if price action taps into this order block here, we could expect good sell reaction from this specific area. But instead I was looking for this one instead of this one. So hence what I was thinking, okay, we can look for buys until this supply, and then we can sell from this supply. But in reality, price action already tapped into a supply and start to give the reaction, confirmed by the inducements here, first inducement, second inducement, and then this I had a sell opportunity, because here, although I did buys, this was an inducement of this local liquidity here, inducement, first leg, second leg, break of structure here, and hence entry on the second leg right over here, entry over here, first leg, second leg, entry over here. That would have been the entry essentially for sells. And look at the reaction, how good the reaction was. Price action gave a really good reaction, easy 3R in this specific scenario. So hence that is why I failed to realize the bigger picture or the context of things and what was really happening and what price really wanted to do. And yeah, it was a bit lucky, I would say, in my opinion, that I was able to break even early. But yeah, I need to really make sure my analysis is proper and thorough. So yeah, this is how the price action played out.